Michelle and I are at the Milwaukee Public Museum on a train in the streets of Old Milwaukee. This is so cool. It feels like you're actually moving. Like we were walking through here and it's like, whoa. That kind of shows you how Milwaukee used to look. And in 3 years, this museum is going to be moving, and unfortunately, they're not going to be able to move the whole streets of Milwaukee area. Oh, don't step off the train while it's moving, folks. It's pretty cool. I like this. All right, I think our stop's coming up.